Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Snapchat lag in Realme Narzo 80 Lite. So before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option apps. Now click on apps and then click on app management. After clicking on app management, then scroll down and find Snapchat and then click on Snapchat app. Now click on storage usage. Now here you can clear the cache memory of Snapchat. After clear the cache memory of Snapchat, then go back to the main page of your settings and click on system and update. Now click on software update and here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After updating a latest version, your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix your problem, then press and hold on Snapchat and then uninstall your Snapchat and install again. After reinstall your Snapchat, your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix your problem again, then press and hold your power button and restart your device. After restart your device, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.